What did you want to show me?
So I wanted to show you how to make the American flag and a couple of other flags on the Rubik's Cube.
Okay, let's see. That's so cool.
And then the French flag, if I remember it, goes... Right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Cool!
And then Spanish is... Hold on, I need to get this back.
Did you figure this out or you learned it?
I figured it out.
Okay.
I think this is right. It's the same stuff as the French flag.
Shoot, boy.
And then and then I could basically do any flag with stripes on it.
Huh.
stripes.
Unless it had pink and purple, right?
Yeah. It took me a while to figure these out. It took me forever to figure out the...
But how many steps is it? It's like 3 or 4, right?
3 for American, 7 for French. It's
Oh.
funny, French is just 3 stripes and then American is like all the star in the corner and then
Yeah, and it's a lot harder. That's so cool.
It looks a lot more complex, but
Hey Ben,
yeah.
you're officially a nerd.